How does an erection happen? The science behind penile erection explained. Most people think an erection is simply about blood flows into the penis. But did you know that an erection actually begins in the brain? Whether it's a touch, an attractive image, a memory, a fantasy, every sense, every sexual stimulus is first processed by your brain. Only after your brain sends the right signals do your nerves, blood vessels, hormones, and penile tissues work together to produce an erection. In today's video, we will explore the fascinating science behind penile erection in a simple and easy to understand way. Let's start it. What is erection? Inside the penis are two sponge-like structures called the corpora cavernosa. Under normal conditions, these tissues contains only a limited amount of blood. During sexual arousal, however, the artery supplies these tissues are widened, allowing a large amount of blood to flow into the corpora cavernosa. At the same time, the veins responsible for draining blood are compressed. This combination creates firmness and rigidity, resulting in an erection. Why is the smooth muscle relaxation is so important? The penile arteries and the smooth muscles inside the erectile tissue remain partially contracted when the penis is in the flaccid state. When sexual stimulation occurs, these smooth muscles relax. As they relax, the arteries dilate, blood flow increase dramatically. The corpora cavernosa fill the blood and erection develops. So, two important things happen simultaneously. More blood flows into the penis and less blood flows out. This is why conditions affecting blood vessels or smooth muscle function can contribute to erectile dysfunction. The brain is the master controller. Many people believe erections are controlled only by the penis. In reality, the brain is the true control center. Every sexual stimulus, whether it's visual, physical, emotional, or imagined, is processed in the brain first. Two brain regions play particularly important roles. The first is the limbic system, which regulates sexual desire, pleasure, emotional attraction, motivation, and reward. The second is the hypothalamus, which helps regulate hormones, sexual behavior, body temperature, hunger and thirst, sexual response. Without proper communication from these brain centers, achieving a normal erection can become difficult, even if it is penis itself is physically healthy. Parasympathetic versus sympathetic nervous system. Two branches of the nervous system influence erectile function. The parasympathetic nervous system is active during relaxation and sexual arousal. Its primary role is to promote an erection. On the other hand, the sympathetic nervous system becomes more active during stress, anxiety, or fear. Its activation can reduce or interrupt an erection. This explains why chronic stress, performance anxiety, or emotional distress can significantly affect sexual performance. So, the key takeaway is this: an erection is not simply a function of the penis. It is the result of perfect coordination between the brain, the nervous system, blood vessels, hormones, mental and emotional health. That's why erectile dysfunction isn't always treated with medication alone. The real question is, where is the problem? Is it in the brain, in the nerves, or in our blood vessels? Or hormones? Or is it related to psychological factors? Identifying the underlying cause is the first step forward effective treatment. I'm Naila Bari, your wellness counselor at Clinic 21. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may benefit from understanding the science behind erectile function. Thank you for watching.